Hey TNT fam, it's your favorite Brittany here, Teeth and Tendrils, and I'm gonna just keep it 100 with y'all, like I always do. My hair has not been thriving for the 99 and the 2000, and I don't know what it is. Quite frankly, I've just been experiencing more breakage than usual. And I usually do like a protein treatment about once a month, but I think I need a little bit more. So I went out today and I purchased these two products, the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment and the balancing moisturizer that you're supposed to moisturize with. Now, these have been on the market for a while, a long time, and I've heard great things about them, but I've always been scared. Like, apparently this makes your hair hard, and I don't wanna like make one wrong move and my hair fall off. Just seem way too much. But at this point, I just really think that the breakage is caused by not enough protein. So I'm gonna try this out. I literally just purchased these, and yeah, we'll just kind of go for it. So we're starting on freshly washed hair, spritzing with water. Now we'll add part 1 of the 2-step treatment, which is very runny, as you can see. You can also see that she doesn't like the smell or a bit of the taste that I got on my mouth, but you know, we'll keep it moving. So I'm just gonna apply this like I would any other deep conditioner, any other protein treatment, just in small sections, making sure that I thoroughly coat each strand and using a wide tooth comb. Now I have already detangled as well, but using a wide tooth comb to make sure that I evenly distribute the product. Halfway done, so I'm doing a quick spin around to show you what it looks like and what it feels like, which is straw. Ugh. So now the instructions say to seat client under medium heat dryer, but client ain't got that. So she's gonna use the blow dryer that she does have on low heat, and we're just really drying the product in there. Like I said, it was dry before, but now it's getting super dry and even harder, as you'll see in just a second. She ain't gonna catch no man like this, honey. Y'all, I'm back. I have just rinsed out the first step of the 2-step treatment. I'm not excited. It's kind of like, you know how you're supposed to eat your vegetables because they're good for you, but you don't really like it, but you know that in the long run you'll be healthy and strong and rah-rah. Yeah, that's kind of how I feel about this. So this is where we are. My hair is not as hard as it was with the product on there, but now we're gonna follow up with this balancing moisturizer immediately. So part 2 has a consistency that is thick and concentrated, but still kind of runny too. It kind of smells like a peppermint perm. Yeah, but it did restore the moisture, and I'm glad about that because y'all can see your girl was a little nervous, honey. But we're just gonna apply that the same way that we did before and twisting it away to secure the ends. So as you can see, the curls are popping, which is what I hoped for. I rinsed it out and I'm okay, but I will say that there was way less hair like on the floor or in the sink, so it's definitely stronger for sure, even if I don't feel it. Yeah, what I'm gonna do next is use this keratin and green tea restructurizer from the same brand Aphogee as my leave-in, and I'm just gonna do a simple twist out with this Jane Carter Curls to Go curl cocktail. Gonna sleep on it, let it air dry, and I'll come back in the morning for my final thoughts. So I do have a twist out video if you're interested. I didn't use this product, but the same principles and tips still apply. I'm gonna link that in the description box. So if you want some twist out tips, head over there, and I will see y'all in the morning with my final thoughts. Rise and shine, Teeth and Tendrils here. I just came to give the final verdict on those Aphogee products. My twist out turned out pretty well, so you know, it didn't really affect my styling in a negative way, which is amazing. I will say that I noticed when I was doing the twist out that I did see overall less breakage. From twisting to untwisting to fluffing, less breakage. So that was what I wanted to achieve, and I got it. The smell, yeah, they gotta do something about the smell of that. But as a whole, I did achieve my goal. My hair is popping. I'm even curious to see if it's going to hold up more, you know, against the weather, against humidity or rain or things like that. So I'll keep y'all posted in an update on that. Until then, that's all I got. Aphogee does what it's supposed to do. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you've tried this before. Let me know what other protein solutions you use for breaking hair or brittle hair. And I will see y'all in my next video. Make sure you thumbs up, like this video, comment, subscribe, and share it with anybody. I know I'm not the only person that encounters breakage from time to time. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and Facebook, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.